How is martensite structure formed in steel? Martensite transformation begins when austenite is cooled below a certain critical temperature, which is called the martensite start temperature. As we go below the martensite start temperature, more and more martensite forms and complete transformation occurs only at a temperature called martensite finish temperature. Formation of martensite requires that the austenite phase must be cooled rapidly. In order to understand what are these phases of iron carbon diagram, you must have a clear idea of FEC phase diagram. How oxygen can be removed from steel during melting, and what are fully killed steels? Fully killed is the term to describe deoxidized steel. Deoxidized steel is a steel that has some or all of the oxygen removed from the melt during the steel making process. Liquid steels contain dissolved oxygen after their conversion from molten iron, but the solubility of oxygen in steel decreases with cooling. The answer to this question would be oxygen can be removed by adding elements such as manganese, silicon, or aluminium. Because of their high affinity for oxygen, they react with it to form non-metallic oxides, which rises up into the slag. Steels which have had most of their dissolved oxygen removed are known as fully killed steels. Describe lathe chucks. A lathe chuck is mounted on the headstock of a lathe and can be actuated manually or under power. Typically, it is used to hold a rotating workpiece, such as a bar, and some can also hold irregular shaped objects. The answer to this question would be chucks are the work holding devices for lathe. They are mechanical vices which hold the workpiece and transfer rotational motion of the drive motor to the workpiece. Chucks are adjustable and they can be of two basic types: 3-jaw self-centering chuck and 4-jaw independent chuck.